fucking hate this kid. Oh, look out, dude.
It's heavy, dude.
You're finally getting this SR out of my freaking garage. It took you long enough. How lucky this guy is. Solomon engine, it's got Tomei cams, it's got, you know, brand new gasket for the rear main seal, brand new, look at all this, it looks good. Alright. Keep going. Keep going, hold on.
Fitment skills.
You almost just blew your tail light out. I said stop. You know,
I've been doing this longer than you've been alive.
Dude, I've been longer than, what? What the hell he just said?
You put all this shit in the way.
You just put that there. Fucking kid, man. This kid acts like a dick. I sell him an engine. He just talks shit the whole time. This is the crap I gotta deal with. Dude's it. Oh, you still here? Oh, whoops. Look at this. This thing's like brand new. It's definitely like aftermarket. Look how nice that is. Just clean it up a little bit. Brand new disc plate. Look at this. Barely even touched. Pressure plate. Barely even touched. Look at that. Kid made out like a bandit, dude.
We got Jimmy Oaks brand new in the box.
Yeah, keep poking at my stomach, dude. You're gonna get 1, 2 right in your fucking nuts. Alright, we're all gonna point and laugh at Dan while he tries to put this in the back of the truck. Alright, come on. Here, let me help. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Oh look, here we go, we're in.
Alright. Go ahead. Go forward.
Alright, what do you think, dude?
I think this is not the right handle for this.
It's not. Why are you using it?
What do you mean, where is it?
I don't know. Figure it out, dude. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, we want the oil pan over the tire.
We're dripping. Oh no! Look out! Drops the whole freaking motor. There you go. I mean, look, my hand's on it. I'm doing something.
Wait, how is this thing not gonna come out when you grab it? Bye, kids. Oh. Yeah.
Bye, baby.
Help.
All right, so can't be another night without some shenanigans. We're gonna watch this kid try to put this in the back of the truck. You might want to put like a bunch of other tires around. I'm just saying. So, at least it's getting this crap out of here. So I got my room back over here. The other room. We got a can of Corona. You see it? Dan's drinking. Telling on you. Kid's a prick. In other news, I did something even cooler with myself. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys in a sec. Check this out. So, I was kind of getting annoyed because like I have to wire these gauges all into like previous wires that are behind my dash, and it was really kind of ugly. But after I decided to get a new panel here, what I did is I installed a fuse box down here in my glove compartment. So it's just a rough mock-up right now, but as you can see, there's power, negative. So check this out. It's hooked up to a power switch. I gotta still attach this one because the plug's not in the back, but just a rough test. I mean, flick the power switch on, boom. There we go. Looks schmint. All right, we got a finished product, everybody. Check this awesomeness out. So you jump in the car. All right, check this out. Boom. 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 Kid's got underglow. He's lit. Dumb idiot. When you bring your kids to school, look, show and tell.
Daddy, look. You pussy.
$7.50.
Everything looks way cooler when it's from your nuts. One easy McDonald's boy. Give me a Netflix account. I'm gonna watch all the kid shows for you. Dude, what did you get for a toy? Yo!
Oh, I got a 240.
Oh, drift car. You drop something there, boy. On this episode of
Oh, I dropped a bolt.
Fuck Your Garage, we're gonna clean up a nasty looking SR and make it pretty again. Ain't that right, boy?
Yeah, she's grimy.
Look at that. This dude, he's so organized. Coolant pipes, got little eyeballs on that. Look at it. Isn't he so cool? Look at that. Look, that's an old turbo. It's One of them turbos. Yeah, this thing had a fat turb ski on it, bro.
Not yet.
I will give it to you though. This side looks mighty nice.
Halfway there.
Do the old cleaneroo.
Might as well.
Ooh, that's swag. Yo, dude, where'd you get that? When your block vapes. When you're trying to lose No Nut November really quick. It's the extra steps you gotta take in order to make your shit count. So, hey, we're here in Dan Garage. Follow him on Twittergram at dangarage.insta, Facebook, MySpace. But we're over here checking out the SR. Thing's a little greasy, but if you take a look, I mean, look at that. It's coming out mint. Like, nothing. So this is what hard work and determination does when you want to actually swap a engine into another car, which this is going in as a Skyline.
Smoke break.
It's going in this baby. Oh, it's gonna be pretty cool. This is a single cam, non-turbo. And that's why we're swapping it, so in case anyone was wondering. Before you call us stupid, say turbo. So, a little bit of gas smell in the oil, but it's really not bad. We were trying to start it with some fueling issue, but I had mentioned to most definitely change this oil as soon as possible because of that reason. Yeah! Stupid ass videos because he's a YouTuber now. Oh, look out! So, got a little update on this thing here. Don't mind this boujiness. This is just rigged for now to turn the fan on. That's gonna be automatic later. I did the new oil pan because mine was dented and I don't want to deal with that. So, we're about to retime it. Just rotate it back over to top dead. So, gonna have some new timing going on. Everything else is looking pretty good. All my gauges are working the way they should. Run a little rich right now still because I haven't set the timing, but a good way to test out my new gauges, baby. Last thing I gotta do, throw under. Don't mind how ugly that thing is. It's lowered and it's probably scraped shit before and I don't know. Yeah, this guy right here, Jap Dan.
Silent.
Follow him.
Silent YouTube.
Silent YouTube. They don't talk, they just go on Pornhub. Tube. It's RedTube, my bad. YouTube Red, it's the same thing. Just go watch whatever it is. Alright, so verdict. The car is perfectly timed. The air to fuel ratio is absolutely spot on. With the new radiator, and I have to replace this fan because it was bad, but this one, like I said, is Jimmy rigged for now, but it's going to be on an automatic temp switch. This one I'm going to have to a switch on my dashboard, so I have control over one manual fan. Luckily, there's no leaks in here. There's no leaks in my oil pan after I put the new one back on, and she runs really good, so really not much to complain about. I'm hoping this thing is going to be like, literally be able to be dailied next year if I really want to. The new Cerberus 2s are coming in from Japan. Should be here in the next like 2 to 3 weeks, depending on, you know, of course, delivery from a country that far away, but I'm excited. Now, I have my one-piece steel drive shaft from the drive shaft shop coming. Drive shaft shop, whatever, you can say it however you want. Drive shaft shop. Tongue twister. So I'm gonna put that in tomorrow with Dan. And then, really, I mean, this thing's really ready to be buttoned up for the rest of the winter. I mean, I just gotta throw my center console back in. See, you know, I got the front bumper is back there. But I don't have to put that on for the winter. I'm gonna give it one last wash, probably take it down to the gas station, fill it, put some stable in it. And then, really, I mean, this thing's ready for next season already, which is awesome. So, I'm really happy about that. So, till next time.